Look where we are today. From here, you can see the whole Altaona Gulf. The sun is rising and it's going to be a very hot day, so we start early in the morning. So following the video that my colleague Andrea made for you last week, where she was explaining the whole process from the moment you think that you want to buy a property in Spain till an offer has been accepted in a property, which are the next steps to follow. So we have the offer accepted. We prepare a contract between the buyer and the seller. The contract is checked by both lawyers, buyer and seller, and the contract is signed. A deposit is paid. With the contract signed and the deposit paid, with that, we can block the property on the market. So from this moment, since the property is blocked on the market, since the contract is signed and the deposit is paid, how long does it take for the completion? Normally it's 8 weeks. Sometimes when the buyer needs a mortgage, it takes 2-3 additional weeks, but no more. At the end of the day, everything is an agreement between the buyer and the seller. Okay? So now, what are the completion costs? The completion cost, it varies depending on the area in Spain where you buy. Murcia, for example, is cheaper than the whole Alicante region. So you need to take that into account. And you need to make a distinction between a new build and a resale. With a resale, it's normally around 11%, and with a new build, it's normally 13-14%, because the taxes are a little bit higher in the new build. So on those costs is included the taxes, lawyer fees, property registration, and notary fees. So the time for completion has come. Both lawyers will meet at the notary. Obviously, if you would like to come for the completion, more than welcome. They will sign the deeds at the notary. They will pay all the costs, all the taxes on your behalf, so you don't need to worry for that. The lawyer will get the keys on your behalf, and from that moment, you have your keys. The property is yours. Congratulations. Enjoy Murcia.